Hello everyone. Today I explain the IUPAC rules for naming branches, chains, alkanes in a simple and easy to understand way. By the end of this video, you know the basic steps and see 5 examples. Step 1. Identify the longest continuous carbon chain. Pangitaon ang pinakataas nga continuous chain sa carbon atom. Kini ginatawag nga parent chain. Ang parent chain mao ang basihan sa main name sa compound sama sa methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane ug hexane. Step 2. Number the parent chain. Nambiran ang mga parent chain gikan sa tumoy nga pinakadaol sa substituent. Kini para mahatagon ang substituent sa lowest possible number nga mao ang rule sa IUPAC. Step 3. Identify and name the substituent. A substituent is a group attached to the parent chain. Common substituent include methyl, ethyl, and propyl. Identify each substituent and write its name. Step 4. Assign the correct position number. Sunod, sulat ang carbon number kung asa nakakabit ang substituent. Kung adunay duha or labaw pa sa parehas nga substituent, gamiton nato ang prefix nga di, tri, o tetra. Step 5. Write the complete IUPAC name. Finally, combine the position number, substituent name, and parent chains to form the complete IUPAC name.
Example 1. The longest continuous chain has 4 carbon atoms, so the parent chain is butane. Number the chain from the end closest to the branch. The methyl group is attached to carbon 2, so the correct IUPAC name is 2-methylbutane. Example 2. The longest continuous chain has 5 carbon atoms, making the parent chain pentane. The methyl group is attached to carbon 3 after numbering from the nearest end. Therefore, the correct IUPAC name is 3-methylpentane. The longest continuous chain is butane. There are 2 methyl groups attached to carbon 2 and 3. Since there are 2 identical substituents, we use the prefix D. The correct IUPAC name is 2 and 3 dimethylbutane. Example 4. The longest continuous chain contains 6 carbon atoms, so their parent chain is hexane. The remaining branch is methyl group attached to a carbon. Therefore, the correct IUPAC name is 3-methylhexane. Example 5. The longest continuous chain is pentane. There are 2 methyl groups attached to the carbon 2 and 4. Since there are 2 identical substituents, we use the prefix D. The correct IUPAC name is 2 and 4 dimethylpentane.